What exactly is YouTube Music and YouTube Premium? Wanna know answer of this question? Stay hooked. From Beyonce's live stream to landmark videos like wait, it's coming.
Despacito, quiero desnudarte a besos despacito. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you.
More than 1 billion people who love music come to YouTube each month to be part of music culture and discover new music. It's also where over 2 billion artists come to share their voices and art with the world. YouTube, the world's second largest search engine, is where artists and people connect. What was the real purpose of YouTube platform? The answer is, it was made for watching videos. Nowadays, people have had to jump back and forth between multiple music apps and YouTube. Those days will soon be over. On May 22, Google will begin rolling out YouTube Music, a new music streaming service made for music on top of the magic of YouTube. What is YouTube Music? It's a new music streaming service from Google. You may think that you know this from the title itself. Hold on, there is much more interesting questions coming up. What's the difference between YouTube Music and Google Play Music? They have different libraries. With YouTube Music, you don't just get official songs. You get the very many remixes, covers, live versions and parodies. YouTube hosts too, as well as music from people who haven't got record deals. And of course, you'll get video also. What unique features does YouTube Music have? Other than the conventional music tracks, YouTube Music can search for lyrics and even use natural language. The app will also offer contextually aware recommendations. So for example, if you're at the airport, it will create a playlist about fire, crashes and death. Maybe something like Final Destination. Just kidding guys. I just wanna check out that you are not sleeping and you are listening to me. Okay, let's become a bit serious. Serious guys? Serious. So, in contextually aware recommendations, YouTube Music will suggest pumping tracks for the gym or relaxing music before you travel. Discovery is clearly going to be a part of YouTube Music experience. It will offer thousands of themed playlists for genres of musics or moods. Will that be a free version of YouTube Music? Yes, of course, there will be a free version of YouTube Music, but it will be ad supported. If I pay for YouTube Music, will it get rid of all the ads on everything? No, just the ones on music. If you want to remove the ads from everything, including the YouTube videos, then you will need YouTube Premium. What? YouTube Premium? What is that? Okay, since launching YouTube Red in 2015, Google have been thrilled with how people are enjoying the service. Whether it's downloading videos for a flight, bringing the first season of Cobra Kai, or listening to the wide breadth of ad-free music. As part of ongoing enhancements to the member experience, Google have officially announced that YouTube Red is becoming YouTube Premium. So I hope that you know about YouTube Premium now. Let's see its features. Someone who subscribes to YouTube Premium, in addition to all the features of YouTube Music Premium, they will also get YouTube original series and movies. They will also be able to stream YouTube videos ad-free. Support for background playing and download will also be added. Is YouTube Music a Google Play Music killer? It does not make sense to run two similar streaming services under the one roof. Google Play Music's days are clearly numbered. We think, is YouTube Music a Spotify or Apple Music killer? I doubt it. That's partly because of sheer numbers. As of January 2018, Spotify had 70 million paying subscribers, and Apple Music is expected to overtake it in the United States this summer. And partly because everybody knows that YouTube is a free thing that is free. According to the International Federation of the Phonographic Industry, IFPI, 85% of YouTube users go there to listen to music for free. We have reached the climax. Okay, let us see a brief comparison about YouTube Music Free, YouTube Music Premium and YouTube Premium, and also see its pricing. If you don't want to pay any money to Google, you can enjoy YouTube Music for free. But there will be ads and there will be no download options too. YouTube Music Premium has support for background listening feature, there will be download option, and there will be no ads. The pricing for YouTube Music Premium is $9.99. YouTube Premium will comprise of all the features of YouTube Music Premium and bunch of other features like ad-free videos in YouTube, background video playing option, YouTube Originals, and ability to download videos. And the pricing of YouTube Premium will be $11.99. To know about the availability of YouTube Music Premium and YouTube Premium in your country, check for the description. If you like our content, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Broadcasting channel. Click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to get instant notification update. That's all for today everyone. Signing off from you. This is Ganesh Ram from Tech Broadcasting channel. Sayonara and have an awesome weekend.